Yesterday, we saw the hands-on photos and videos of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, but that was a dummy unit, not the actual device. Today, here we have the leaked photos of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 from various angles. A post on Reddit by user Ultima40 has leaked photos of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 from various angles. There's also a photo of the inner folding display among the leaked images. The handset in the picture appears to have the code WEC0696M printed on it, suggesting that could indeed be a test unit. The unit in the picture is also seen to have a cautionary label on it stating that it should not be photographed. According to the thread, the owner or tester of this Galaxy Z Fold 5 unit wanted to sell off the handset to the user who posted photos of it on Reddit. The smartphone in the leaked images does look very similar to both the leaked renders and previously tweeted images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The photo of the outer cover display shows that not much has changed in comparison to the currently available Galaxy Z Fold 4, with thin bezels on the sides and a thick bezel at the bottom. A photo of the rear panel hints at the 3 expected cameras with the LED flash, now placed outside the slightly raised camera module. A photograph of the top end of the alleged Galaxy Z Fold 5, when folded, shows 3 mix and a speaker grille, with a near gapless folding design that seems like a noticeable improvement over the outgoing model. In the comments is another photo showcasing the inner display at the lock screen. While it's hard to tell how thick its bezels are, because of the dim lighting it's clear that it isn't completely gapless, especially closer to the hinge. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to come with a redesigned hinge this year that is said to reduce the deep crease that Samsung's foldable phones have had for years. Also, the most prolific leakster and tipster Ice Universe confirmed that this is the real device. He said in his tweet that according to the security code, it can be accurate to a certain person, and it can be confirmed that it comes from a certain Samsung employee in South Korea. About this picture, Ice Universe said that at least from this point of view, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 crease is still obvious. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this leak? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.